Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Happy New Year. We are starting off this year with a chill drink made out of fresh tangerines, a sweetener. I use sugar, you can use honey though, some ice and a bunch of lemongrass. First off, we will put about 4 cups of water on fire and bring it to a boil. Once the water has boiled, add the lemongrass and let the lemongrass boil for about 20 minutes. Once it has boiled, remove from fire and let it completely cool. Now once the lemongrass is cooling, we will squeeze our tangerines till all the juice is extracted. I used 4 tangerines. Extracted, put the juice in a blender, add some ice, your sweetener of choice, and the cool lemongrass tea. Blend it till frothy and serve over ice. Thank you for watching.